We have an assignment here to wrap up our course. In the data analysis chapter, we did some clustering, calculated some statistics, and did some aggregation. But we left the plotting for the assignment chapter. So here, we want to create a macro that simplifies plotting various types of charts. But what are macros? So macros in Rust are a feature that allows you to write code that generates other code. They can significantly reduce repetitive patterns and makes your code cleaner and a bit more flexible. By using macros, you ensure consistency across your code base, especially when performing similar operations multiple times. So the objective of the assignment, for this assignment, your goal is to implement the plot data macro. The macro will help you generate different types of charts with minimal code repetition. You need to handle several parameters. So we need to have a reference to data frame, columns for the X and Y axis, the type of chart you want to create, such as line, bar, or scatter, and the filename for saving the plot, along with the title and axis labels. The tip is feel free to consult the Plotters Crate documentation for details on chart types and customization options. As a challenge, try adding custom styles like colors and fonts to your plot. Here's an example of plot data macro implementation. You will use the Plotters Crate to handle the actual plotting. The macro will set up the necessary crates and extract data from the data frame, configure the drawing area in chart based on the parameters provided, and add the specified chart type, and save the resulting plotter file. So this macro simplifies the process of creating different charts, making it easier to generate plots with just a few lines of code. Implement this macro and test the various chart types and data configuration. This is, for example, how we call this plot data. And don't forget to always use GenAI to assist with code generation and debugging throughout your assignment. And feel free to reach out if you have any questions or any further assistance.